Hello, curious minds. I'm Longan. Longan. I'm a tropical fruit with a sweet, translucent flesh. Peel off my thin skin to reveal my deliciousness. Snack on me fresh or add me to desserts. Let's embark on a flavor-filled journey. Greetings, little ones. I'm Carambola. Carambola. You may know me as a star fruit because of my shape when sliced. I'm sweet and tangy, perfect for adding a tropical twist to your snacks. Let's shine bright together. Hi kids. I'm Barberry. Barberry. I'm tiny but packed with tartness. You'll find me in jams, jellies, and even as a colorful addition to salads. Let's explore the world of unique flavors together. Hey there. I'm Soursops. Soursops. Despite my name, I'm actually quite sweet with a flavor similar to pineapple and strawberry. Scoop out my creamy flesh and enjoy me fresh or in smoothies. Let's make something deliciously exotic. Hello, adventurous kids. I'm Damson. I'm a small, tart fruit that's perfect for making jams, jellies, and even brandy. Let's get creative in the kitchen and discover new ways to enjoy my unique flavor.